Hi, Connor.
So your share will pay. So I'll put you in there at 9 a.m. But you have to come in $75.64.